I am Commodore Shrikant Deshmukh, now Sena Medal, retired. I did my 32 years of service in Indian Navy, 5 years with Tata Group, 12 years with Elcom Group, and now I am assisting SMEs and the foreign equipment manufacturers to come to India and work under Atmanirbhar Bharat. I am grateful to Chanakya for inviting me on 20th of June 2025 to deliver a lecture to the aspirants of UPSC and MPSC exams. I am a defense analyst as well as geopolitical analyst and write on defense as well as geopolitical aspects for the newspapers. As far as my talk in Chanakya Forum goes, I will be covering higher defense management, defense allocations, charter of duties, higher equipment, technology denial regime, as well as geopolitical aspects. Thank you.